Hi, Sasha Plisco.
Zoom?
It won't zoom.
What way?
I don't know.
What's that?
Clap your hand, you know, clap your hands.
No, this doesn't do shit either. Why won't it zoom? What the fuck is wrong with it? Woo!
That's
I so zoom in on her. It could zoom. That's so
clap your
lame.
hands. Speaking Russian. Can you see me now? Huh?
Schnoz.
Oh. My dragon fell on me.
She's pretending she has an accent.
Man, it's fine, man. I'm like, to tell you that kids fell off, but kids slowly. I'm sorry.